Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in a couple ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. The second way is to do it through the quick panel, and finally we can also check it through the settings. So let's wake up the screen on our watch, and on the watch face, this one actually, we have the battery level right here on the top, and it's at 9%. If you want to use the quick panel, swipe down from the top of the screen, and here we have the quick panel, and at the top of it we have the battery level. And through the settings, simply open the settings, then scroll down and find the power saving option, and here you will see the battery level displayed. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.